the Merry, Merry Dog Show. You'll see them all, the best of every breed. Oh, come, yes, come to the Merry, Merry Dog Show and pick out a pooch, the kind you need.
There's a dog to fit every personality. You'll find a pet to suit you to a T.
He'll learn a good many tricks from you.
You will learn some from him, too.
Come on along, don't miss the show, the Merry, Merry Dog Show.
Here at the Dog Show, you will see a great many varieties of that popular pet. There's the police dog, valiant guardian of your property. The powerful boxer. There is also the Spitz. And no hunter would be without a pointer. If you need a dog to watch, there's the watchdog. Let's watch what he's watching. Well, and there's America's favorite dog, the hot dog.
Presenting the Woody Spaniels.
They glide along with grace and ease, around and down they go. If you ever get in trouble on an alpine mountainside, and down upon the steepest slope you begin to slide, just yell out loud, "Help! Help!" And soon you'll get an answer to your call from the faithful Saint Bernard, the bravest of them all.
Oh, we won't get home until morning. We'll never get home at all.
This brave and fearless animal has gained a lot of fame. There's no one quite his equal when it comes to fetch and game. A gunshot, he's on his way, a champion plain to see. Could anyone at all believe he'd fail his task?
Could it be?
The Russian wolfhound. The Russian wolfhound.
Hey! 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 Hey!
Now the show is over, let's see who the winner will be.
Spaniel, the Boxer, the Saint Bernard, the winner.
The cup is won, and we've had fun at the Merry Dog Show.